Here are 4 spices that can naturally alleviate joint pain and inflammation. These 4 common kitchen spices can quickly reduce discomfort in your joints and soothe inflammation without harsh effects. Are you struggling with stiff, painful joints? If you've grown weary of relying on pain medications and prefer a more natural approach, you've come to the right spot. In today's video, we will explore powerful spices that you can easily add to your daily meals to combat joint pain and inflammation naturally. They're not uncommon or hard to find. Most likely, you already have them in your kitchen. So sit back with a warm beverage, relax, and discover how these simple seasonings can truly benefit your joints. Let's start with one that may catch you off guard. Number 1. Cloves. Let's highlight one of the most overlooked spices that's right in front of us, cloves. These tiny, dark buds may not seem remarkable, but don't let their looks deceive you. When it comes to alleviating joint pain and reducing inflammation, cloves offer significant advantages. You might think of them in connection with holiday recipes or spiced beverages. Indeed, they bring a warm, comforting quality to both sweets and drinks. However, beyond their appealing scent, cloves are rich in bioactive properties that can alleviate joint discomfort and protect them from further damage. So, what gives cloves their unique benefits? The key compound is eugenol, which not only contributes to its distinctive aroma, but also to its therapeutic effectiveness. Eugenol has been studied for its effects on inflammation, its antioxidant properties, and its ability to alleviate pain. Simply put, it helps to reduce inflammation, neutralize harmful free radicals, and relieve pain. Imagine joints that are swollen, stiff, or sore. While inflammation serves as the body's defense mechanism, chronic inflammation, as seen in various forms of arthritis, can become detrimental rather than protective. Eugenol can block the activity of COX-2, which is the same target that many common over-the-counter pain relievers focus on, providing a more natural, food-based alternative to reduce inflammation without relying solely on medications. Cloves are also known to be one of the most antioxidant-rich spices available. This is important because oxidative stress caused by aging, poor diet, pollution, or ongoing stress can speed up the breakdown of cartilage and lead to joint deterioration. Translation: cloves may offer more than just relief from symptoms. They could aid in maintaining joint structure, promoting improved flexibility, reduced stiffness, and fewer flare-ups over time. So how can you incorporate them into your daily routine without becoming bored with the flavor? It's simple. Whole clove tea. Add a few whole cloves to gently boiling water. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, strain, and enjoy. A dash of honey and lemon is optional. Drink it after meals or in the evening if nighttime discomfort is your concern. When using ground cloves, go easy. The flavor is strong, so just a pinch is sufficient. Mix it into oatmeal, blend it into a banana and cinnamon smoothie, or incorporate it into curries and stews. You gain depth of flavor and joint-supporting compounds all at once. An upgraded version of golden milk. Heat your choice of milk with turmeric, ginger, black pepper, and a dash of ground clove. This calming pre-sleep routine will benefit your joints. Infuse oil. By gently warming olive oil with a few whole cloves and other spices that support joint health. Drizzle it over roasted veggies or use it as a finishing touch for salads to enhance the dish's functional qualities. Number 2. Cinnamon. Let's chat around a flavor you likely relate with Constellation Nourishment, cinnamon, and why it merits a put in your joint care instrument ute. Most of us think cinnamon has a place on cinnamon rolls, apple pie, or twirled into a cozy container of chai. However, that same warm, recognizable flavoring can play an important part in facilitating joint throbs and dialing down irritation. The adhere or powder tucked in your washroom may be one of the only natural bolsters for sore knees, stiff fingers, or an aching back. Cinnamon encompasses a long history in traditional mending systems, from ancient Egypt to Ayurveda to Chinese medicine, where it was esteemed for its therapeutic properties. Advanced research has begun to validate what those conventions watched. The key bioactive compound called cinnamaldehyde. It's capable for cinnamon's signature smell and flavor, but it also carries powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Since long-standing joint torment is driven by determined low-grade inflammation, anything that safely pushes those provocative pathways down can make a real difference in day-to-day consolation. When incessant inflammation is stewing, the assistant fume can erroneously target the body's own tissues, which shows up as stiffness, swelling, and torment. Cinnamaldehyde and related compounds offer assistant calm that response. A few ponders have linked cinnamon admissions with diminishments in inflammatory markers, such as C-reactive protein and TNF-alpha, both related to excruciating enkindled joints. In one clinical trial, individuals with rheumatoid arthritis who consumed cinnamon daily reported less pain and swelling compared to a control group. For something as simple as a zest, that's an outstanding result. There's another point that things just as much circulation. Sound blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients to cartilage, tendons, and connective tissue while removing metabolic waste that can irritate soreness. Cinnamon supports better circulation, which in turn can offer assistant tissues repair, stay supple, and work more smoothly. Progressed blood flow and a calmer inflammatory environment is a combination your joints can feel. Cinnamon may also aid in blood sugar adjust. That might sound disconnected to joint consult, but steady glucose levels play a major role in entire body inflammation. Elevated blood sugar can open up inflammatory processes and compound joint satisfaction over time by making a difference constant glucose. Cinnamon handles a covered driver of inflammatory discomfort from another course. That kind of whole system benefit is precisely what nourishment as medicine approaches are so compelling. Now, for the practical part, how to use cinnamon so it actually becomes a daily habit. You don't need to force down spoonfuls or choke back harsh concoctions. Start with foods you already enjoy and layer cinnamon in. Try a warm bowl of oats sprouted with cinnamon and berries. The pairing tastes awesome, and the berries add extra antioxidants to compliant cinnamon's anti-inflammatory punch. Incline to smoothies. Mix a pinch into a morning shake. Banana, almond, and even a bit of turmeric play well with it, including an organic sweetness and more joint-inviting compounds. Number 3. Black pepper. Let's grant some past due credit to one of the most traditional flavors on the table, black pepper. You may be thinking, truly? That regular sprinkle you bend over everything without a moment's thought? Yes, that one. Don't let its familiarity trick you. Dark pepper is distant more than a flavor finisher. Used wisely, it becomes a relentless ally for easing joint soreness and dialing down inflammation. Often the most effective of tools for hindering are the ones stowing away in plain sight. For centuries, peppercorns have served double duty, raising meals and supporting wellness in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. Modern research is catching up, elucidating why this pantry staple can be such a difference maker for aching knees, stiff fingers, or a back that dispresents after long days. The secret sits inside a single naturally occurring compound called pepperine. Pepperine gives pepper its sharp bite, but it also delivers eminent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Those two qualities matter immensely when joints are cranky. Joint inconvenience from joint arthritis or years of wear tends to be fueled by chronic, low-grade inflammation. That process leaves tissue swollen, tender, and less elastic, and over time, it can nibble away at cartilage. Pepperine helps by turning down key biochemical signals that drive the fire. It can inhibit chemicals such as TOX2 and host pro-inflammatory cytokines, addressing root causes rather than simply suppressing symptoms. In other words, dark pepper makes a difference your system stops screaming in the disgust. There's another layer to this story. Life throws oxidative stress at us through toxins, ultra-precise foods, and even emotional strain. These pressures generate free radicals that damage cells, including those that protect and cushion your joints. Cancer preventatives from dark pepper offer assist to neutralize those unsteady molecules, protecting tissue and supporting recovery so your joints can move with less friction. Now comes one of the most impelling reasons to partner dark pepper with other joint-inviting foods. Number 4. Garlic. It is a delicious addition to almost any savory dish. Like onions and leeks, it contains diallo-disulfide, an anti-inflammatory compound that limits the effects of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Hence, garlic can help fight inflammation and may even help prevent cartilage damage from arthritis. Remember, relief doesn't always come from a bottle or a clinic. Often it starts in your kitchen with the choices you make every day. So give your body a steady back, one delicious plate at a time. If this video helped, tap the thumbs up and subscribe for more practical natural health tips and simple remedies that work. And if you've already used any of these spices for joint pain, share your experience in the comments. Until next time, take good care of yourself. You're worth it. Thank you for watching Aging Free TV. Subscribe to stay healthy every